Alright guys, hello. We're here at Belmont Hotel and we just checked in and we're currently in our room. So we booked a family room and this is my parents' room. So here's the bathroom. Hello. And this is the toilet, the sink. Of course they have a shower. So it's like that. Of course, they have toothbrushes there, some soap, and I'll show you guys the beds. So they have a robe, slippers, a safe. They have like these ones, flashlight, and these are the beds. So 2 beds and there's a TV. There's a nice view of a church there. They have some coffee and tea, some water bottles. A fridge. They also have, those are our luggage pieces. I dry earlier. All right, so yeah, that's the first room of the family room. And there is a connecting door that connects their room to mine. So this is my room. It smells really good in here, you guys. I have like a really big bed here, really comfy. Also got a TV, of course. I also have a good view of the church here. Really beautiful. Here, I'll give you guys a better view of the outside. Gorgeous. Welcome to Newport City. And this is my desk. So pardon my power bank. And I have the same things as my parents have. So I have like coffee and tea, so 4 water bottles there, some cups, a mirror. Hello. A fridge, a hair dryer. You know, the hair dryer I'll definitely use because my hair, for some reason in the Philippines, it dries very slowly. I'm guessing it may be the sweat. It's really hot here. But yeah, that's my bed. And of course a TV. And robe, slippers, flashlight. Got our bag for our dirty clothes, laundry bag, safe. Just curious to know what's in here. Okay, nothing really in there. And then I'll show you guys my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. So you have my own bathroom. Of course, I got my amenities there. Here's a toilet. And here's the shower. So yeah. That, ladies and gentlemen, is our family room here at Belmont Hotel. We have one more day here in the Philippines and we'll be flying back to Canada tomorrow. And fingers crossed that Typhoon Regasa doesn't come our way because I really want to get home and relax. And I really miss my own bed. So hopefully we can get back to Winnipeg like on time and we're not delayed or anything. But yeah, all right guys, just wanted to show you guys our family room here at Belmont. Again, really beautiful. And I'm really excited for tomorrow's breakfast and I'll be heading back to Canada tomorrow like I said. So yeah, all right, let's enjoy more of Newport City. Bye guys.